Hello everyone, I'm Aditi Unyal from Exchange for Media, and today I have Alap Desai, CCO and co-founder of Together with Me. Alap, I have some very quick questions for you and you're supposed to be really rapid with them.
Okay.
Alright, let's start. Be honest, have you ever used newspaper pouch as a kid?
Of course I am. I'm from Kanpur and I think it was a part of my daily life.
Yeah.
So lots of it I used.
Great. One Desi habit you secretly think the world should adopt? One Indian Desi habit?
I think pranayam.
Okay.
Yeah. Because at least advertising people smoke a lot. Indians smoke a lot. And a lot of my friends can't quit. Like I couldn't quit. But I think pranayam helps make it better.
Okay. If Together had a mascot animal, what would it be and why?
I think it would be a Labrador.
Okay.
Because one, everyone of us likes dogs, and I think Labrador just is the most wonderful being on earth. I think the only creature better than humans is a Labrador. He's just loving, cute.
Wonderful. Wonderful. One campaign you wish you had made from India or from anywhere in the world?
I think the Johnny Sins Bolt ad,
Okay.
which came out a few years back. I would have really loved to use a porn star that has some random equity as a brand ambassador. Do that. I would have loved to do it.
Great. UV Link solves range anxiety, as we were
Yes.
just discussing about it. What gives you anxiety at Cannes?
So there's pressure for us to win again.
Yeah.
I think to fight that off is my only anxiety.
What's the most unexpected place you've had a creative breakthrough?
I was once drunk at a solo trip, and I cracked an idea I was struggling with for some 2 years there. I was on a solo trip and I was drunk, and there were some Ukrainians or Russians that I was drinking with, and that is where, and there is something that he was talking about. There was one of the Rusov was talking about
Yeah.
to his wife.
Oh.
And I cracked a 2-year-old idea there. I've never been this random. I'm not usually this random.
Would you like to tell us that what that idea was? Just in brief.
Not at all. That's still not out yet.
Okay. Then I'll take it away. Yeah, so if your creative career had a Bollywood title, what would that be?
Dhamakedar.
Wonderful. You're packing for Cannes. What's that one Desi item that's always, that makes it to your suitcase?
A premixed tea.
Or you carry it everywhere?
Yeah, everything. One of my friends that together we both only introduced it to us.
Okay.
Premixed tea is everything.
All right. Thank you so much, Ala. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.